Hello, my dear kids. Welcome back. Today we are going to practice reading. Children, do you know reading is very important? If you practice reading a lot, you will be able to understand lots of things. You will understand all the words. It will increase your knowledge. So, children, let's get started. Children, I have written this reading part in my copy. You don't have to write this in your copy. You just practice reading with me. Again, I repeat, no need to write this reading part in your copy. You just read it with me. This is for practice. No need to write this reading part in your copy. Now, children, let us start reading. At first, the heading is R-E-A, D-I-N-G, ding, reading. Today I am going to show you how to read, how to break the word and how to read. M-O-N, read it after me everybody. K-E-Y-S, keys, monkeys. A-N-D, and. K-O-A, qua, L-A-S, las, koalas. L-I-V-E, leave. O-N, on. T-R-E-E-S, trees. Monkeys and koalas live on trees. Children, you will read in this way. Okay? Next. M-A-N-Y, many. B-I-R-D-S, birds. M-A-K-E, make. T-H-E-I-R, there. N-E-S-T, nest. O-N, on. T-H-E-M, them. Many birds make their nest on them. Next line. S-Q-U-I, squee. Double R-E-L-S, rus, squirrels. L-I-V-E, leave. I-N, in. T-H-E-I-R, there. H-O-L-E-S, holes. A-N-D, and. H-O-N-E-Y, honey. B-E-E-S, bees, honey bees. M-A-K-E, make. H-I-V-E-S, hives. O-N, on. I-T, it. Squirrels live in their holes and honeybees make hives on it. You will read a full sentence and then you will go for the next one. Okay? Next one. E-V-E-N, when. Even. In this way you will break the words and read. Okay? B-A-T-S, bats. L-I-V-E, leave. O-N, on. T-H-E-M, them. A-N-D, and. S-N-A-K-E-S, snakes. L-I-V-E, leave. U-N, un. der, under. Them, them. Even bats live on them, and snakes live under them. Next, GIRAFFES, giraffes. And ELEPHANTS, elephants. EAT, THEIR, there. LEAVES, leaves. And ALL, all. GET, get. THEIR, there. FOOD, food. FROM, from. TREES, trees. Giraffe and elephants eat their leaves and all get their food from trees. So children, this is the picture of your reading part. Now all of you hear me very carefully that how I am reading, and in this way you will also practice reading at home. Monkeys and koalas live on trees. Many birds make their nest on them. Squirrels live in their holes and honeybees make hives on it. Even bats live on them and snakes live under them. Giraffes and elephants eat their leaves and all get their food from trees. So children, I hope that you will be able to read fluently like me. So practice reading. So for today, bye bye and have a nice day.